Welcome to the Explore More podcast with HWY34 RV, your locally owned RV sales and service center located just off I-25 and Highway 34 in Windsor, Colorado. We're talking about everything from our favorite camping gear to how to service your RV so you can explore more wherever the road may take you.
Hi, we're here with Explore More with HWY34 RV, and we're at Scheel's talking to Wally, the camping expert, to look at some gifts to give your camping aficionado this holiday season.
So we're going to start by taking a look at some of the bigger items, and then Wally's going to show us some great options for stocking stuffers and the smaller things that you can get the camping lover in your life.
Excellent. Around the corner here, we've got some great items that could be useful if you're boondocking or hunting or whatever you'd like to do that you need power for. There's a line of solar powered items from Goal Zero that are a combination of solar panels and solar generators that you can hook up and be able to recharge your phone, your laptops. With some of the models, run a TV or even a refrigerator and a freezer with. So great items if you're not on the grid and you're somewhere you still need to power some items. Solar panel hooks into a generator, which you could also charge from home before you leave on your trip, and then you can run power out of that generator for whatever you need to charge. Honestly, another great thing for people that might want to get out there that don't have an RV yet are these rooftop tents from Thule and Tepui. We have 5 different models, and they mount to a rooftop rack. So you can drive out literally anywhere that's legal anyway and set up your tent, sleep for the night, and move on the next morning without no fuss or muss.
This is Jordan's kind of camping.
Yeah, this is how I camp.
We've got a wide variety of sleeping bags here at Scheel's. One that I want to talk about real quick is this Wasatch 20-degree bag from North Face. Very quality bag, 20-degree bag, which is good for most of the year around here if you're not winter camping. And it's marked at $89. We've got a lot of them, so that'd be a great gift for somebody that needs a new sleeping bag this winter.
$89 is a great deal. How about some stocking stuffers?
Stocking stuffers, yeah, a lot of great gifts for that. One, it may be a little bit big for some stockings, but hammocks and straps for hammocks are a great item to chill out at your campsite, whether you're in an RV or a tent or whatever, or even just taking a hike. It's great to go like hike up high in the mountains and set up your hammock and chill and maybe have a little meal. Just relaxing as can be, and it's been a very popular activity the last several years.
Yeah, and with these, I know they have the single wide and the double wide. I have the double wide, and sometimes I sleep in there when I'm camping. I love it so much. I've had it for years.
I have to say, I rarely lay in my hammock without taking a nap, whether I plan to or not.
Oh, yeah.
You're right.
And then you can also get straps that are twice as long, so if the trees aren't close by.
That's right. Wrap them around the tree, clip them in. It can't be any easier.
Oh, I love it.
Another thing that would be great stocking stuffer for any camper is FreezeDried Food. It's not always convenient, or you don't always have the time necessarily to build a fire and build a nice campfire meal. But we've got probably 10 different companies that we carry with FreezeDried Food here. Some are local. Backpacker Pantry here is from Boulder. Wild Zora from right here in Loveland. And we've got several other choices here that probably the widest variety of freeze-dried food packets you'll see in the area. First aid end cap here. We've got everything from that hiker needs where you're starting to get a blister to things to pull out stingers or even emergency bivy sacks. Great little stocking stuffer is this survival kit that's got a little bit of everything for somebody that might be hiking or camping or hunting. And also stuff to get fires started with. I know for me, if I'm backpacking and I've walked all day with something heavy on my back, the last thing I want to do is worry about how I'm going to get that fire started. So we've got a lot of great tools, from everything from strikers to accelerant and dual plasma lighters that'll help you get a fire started quickly. You can stay warm and get fed.
And look at this guy. He makes your fire colorful.
It's almost like a
So
kaleidoscope. You stare into the different colors and the flames become purple and gold and green and blue, and it's really mesmerizing. I kind of first saw this, I thought, well, hey, kids will like this, but my wife and I stare at that fire every time too. We love it. Other great little stocking stuffer gifts. Right here's a fun little koozie section from Puffin Coolers. These Puffin Koozies, that's a wine bag looks like a sleeping bag, and life vests and jackets and parkas. We've even got some that have a little Colorado flag on the vest. So that'd be a great gift for maybe for someone that doesn't live here. In addition to those, we've got lots of other drink accessories like cup holder adapters, so your cup holder can fit any size bottle you have. A lot of the bigger water bottles people use don't fit in a standard cup holder. These bottle bumpers will protect your Hydro Flask or Yetis from getting damaged and dented. Shower beer holders. Got to have beer first thing in the morning, or a seltzer. Got something you can stick that up and have it while you're in the shower. Colorado flag and USA flag insulated koozies as well that light up. All kinds of fun stuff here.
Gotta love a good shower beer.
Yeah, and it's a great gift. It really is a great gift.
I'm more of a shower wine drinker myself, but you know.
You know, I actually do have the shower wine holder.
Oh,
there is a shower wine holder.
And you know, right behind you there, those Rumple blankets are so soft and nice, and they came out with a new national park line this year. So we have bags from Rocky Mountain National Park, Yellowstone, Grand Canyon, and Yosemite. It's just amazing. And all of their patterns are great, and they're insulated and soft, and you can use them to lay out on the grass at a picnic or to stay warm in a hammock. Great item as a gift.
Yeah, sometimes when you're sleeping in a hammock, the underside gets kind of cold, so I line the bottom with the blanket and have the top.
That is perfect, yes.
Jordan's a hammock expert.
I love hammocks.
And if you really don't know what to get someone for Christmas, everyone can use a headlamp.
Oh,
We got
So
a wide variety of headlamps here, the different brightnesses and rechargeable, used batteries from Black Diamond, Petzl, Princeton Tech, Lux Pro. We've got lots of choices of headlamps, and there's not a person around you that couldn't use a headlamp.
Absolutely.
well, there you have it. Your fail-safe gift for this holiday season, a headlamp. Or if you're really trying to splurge, some solar panels works.
There you go. Great stuff to enjoy your camping with and help you have more fun.
Awesome.
Well, if you're interested in any of these things for your camping buddy or your camping family member, come on out to Scheel's. And Campy, the Wally
Just call
expert.
me Campy.
Wally, the camping expert, can help you find the perfect gift.
Come in and say hi. We'd love to meet you.